In the midst of the lies that India is the land of serpents, a land of no indigenous civilizations, a land of colonial leftovers, a land of Mughal-dominated architectures, stands there the majestic, ineffable, splendid, jaw-dropping, ancient Hindu temple, crushing down all the mythical and false theories. The Hindu temples have an intricately designed architecture, setting an example of marvelous works of Bharatiya chisel and hammers. Such is the Bharatiya architecture that Mughal and British can't even stand at par with them. Now, let's bring you to the astonishing tale of the Brihadeswar temple located in Thanjavur, Tamil Nadu. This temple is dedicated to Mahadev. This temple is a millennium-old heritage of Sanatani Bharatvarsh. The 1,000-year-old fine detailings of designs on the walls of this temple still thrive with the name of Mahadev. Rajaraja Chola first built this masterpiece with a Dravidian style of architecture. The Gopuram or the temple tower stands 216 feet tall, and the shadow of the Gopuram never falls on the ground, neither during the time of sunrise nor sunset. Engineers get awed when they go more and more deep into the structure of Brihadeswar Shiva temple. It is believed that 130,000 tons of granite had been used in the construction, but the surprising stuff is that you will never find any rocky hill within 60-kilometer radius of Thanjavur. So, from where did they bring such huge weights of granite? The folk tales do narrate that 3,000 elephants were used to bring these rocks from the western region of Bharat. The pinnacle of the temple has a kumbam of 81 ton with a kalash. Now the question arises, how such a heavy rock reached and placed at the top of a 216 feet Gopuram of the temple? Let's see how. A long ramp of 6 kilometers was made, and elephants, bulls, horses, humans were used to place the rock at a top of height of 216 feet. Such was the greatness of Indian kings and Indic architecture. No cement or glue has been used to join the stones in this temple. A special technology of interlocking system or puzzle system had been used there. So, 1,000 years ago, when the rest of the world was in a search of food, our Bharat used puzzle system to build temples. Next astonishing fact is the Nandi Maharaj of Baba Brihadeswar. The Nandi is carved out of a single rock and its height is 13 feet. So awaken your senses and think how much time it would have taken to carve Nandi Maharaj so precisely. It has been found that many famous buildings like Leaning Tower of Pisa, Big Ben, are tilting with the time, but the product of our Indic Bharatiya Sanatani architecture, Brihadeswar temple, is still standing with a 0-degree inclination. This has 3 reasons. First of all is the interlocking system used. Second is the wide foundation. Third is that it has been built without digging the earth. You will never find these magnificent Hindu temples getting a place in the 7 wonder list, because the list is too undeserving to give a place to these grandiose wonders of Bharat. No list, no land has the power to hold these majestic temples except the Sanatani land of Bharat. It's very rightly said that the might of the Indic Sanatan civilization is beautifully narrated by its chisels and hammers. Jayatu Jayatu Hindu Bharatam.